here's how you connect N8N to Telegram. So I'll first give a quick run and then I'll basically be building this out from scratch. So I've set up a node, which is a Telegram node over here, which actually gets triggered when a new message has come up. And then I've also set up a bot over here. So I'll quickly demonstrate. So if you execute this workflow, this is actually waiting for a message now. Whenever I just add a message, hey, how are you? And then this workflow will get executed. If you see workflow executed successfully, that means we now should have an incoming message over here, which is this message. So let's get into steps of how to set it out. So delete this node and we'll start from scratch. So what you need to do is add up a trigger node over here, which is going to be a Telegram node. Now you have multiple events that you can use. You can, use on, you can trigger the execution flow on channel post. You can do on channel edit, on message, and all of that. But for now, we'll just basically go with on message. Then what you do need to set up is the Telegram credential. Now, how you set up is click on this create new credential. Now, whenever you have this sort of field, you basically need access token to set up. Now, what you need to do is click on open docs, and you happen to have few things. Obviously, the Telegram account. Just log into your Telegram account. I happen to have logged in to the web instance, which is web.telegram.org. And then what you need to basically is set up a new bot using BotFather. So if you click on this link, BotFather, this is actually a bot from official Telegram, which lets you create more bots. So you click on open new web, and then you get asked few questions to basically start and create a new bot. So there are a few commands that you see over here. This is what you'll get. So to create a new bot, you basically have to click new bot. So click on new bot, and then you'll basically get asked, all right, a new bot, how are you going to call it? Perhaps let's give it a name. Let's say N8N new bot. And then, okay, good. Let's choose a username. We'll basically give a username, but make sure that the username must always end with bot. So we'll basically give N8N Telegram awesome cool bot, and done. That's it. So you have created the bot now, and this is the access token that you need, which you will copy paste to N8N. So just click on this copy, and then you just paste it up over here. So you click on save, and you will get a message which says credential successfully created, and then you basically will be able to connect to the Telegram. Now let's test everything up. So in the bot, you basically have a link to your own bot, which is this one. So you click on this, and whenever you basically send the message to this bot, your Telegram bread flow will get executed over here. So let's get to start. And then what I'll do is I'll just execute this step just to make sure that this is getting executed properly. So we have a workflow waiting over here. And what I'll do is I'll basically just send a hi message over here. And this should actually start the workflow, which it did. And then if you basically double tap, you have the hi message. So hope this video was clear to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And please do join my community, which is gobuildwithai.com. Link is in the description, wherein I teach more cool stuffs about AI agents and how you can master N8N. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.